Welcome back to another video. In this video, I would like to show you how to create a new account on Google Analytics. To create a new Google Analytics account, you need Gmail account. And if you have a Gmail account, it's basically your Google account which is applicable for all the Google services. So I hope you already have a Gmail account. So search for Google Analytics and you will see this results. So we need to click on this first link, analytics.google.com. So I'll click on this link and it will ask me to log in into my Gmail account. I already have a Gmail account, so I'll just click on this and I'll log in into my account. So once you log in, you will end up on this page. Welcome to Google Analytics. So I'll click on this button. Okay. So here you need to add the details of your account. So account name will be Best Computer Chairs. Okay. I have a website with the name bestcomputerchairs.in. So my account name will be same. Okay. So here I need to click. If you want to go through all this, so you can just go through it. I'll click on next and I'll select for web. So I'll click on next and my website name. So my website name is again same, Best Computer Chairs. And here we need to add the website URL. So I'll just copy this URL and I'll paste it here. So my website has a SSL certificate. So I'll just remove this HTTPS and from here I need to select HTTPS. Okay, and after then we need to select the industry category. So let me check the industry category. So mine is computer chairs. So I will select home and garden. Okay. So if you have a website which is related to healthcare, so you select healthcare. Whatever suits your websites, you just select that. Okay, so I'll select this home and garden and reporting time zone. So reporting time zone is very important and you need to select the time zone where you are from. So I'm from India, so I'll select India. So let me search India. Okay. And now everything is okay. So let's create it. So here we need to check this and we need to check this as well. So if you want, you can just go through the terms and condition and then you can click on I accept. Once you click on I accept, you will end up on this page. So let me click on no thanks. And so I have got my tracking ID, which I can put it back on my WordPress blog. Okay. So we have successfully created Google Analytic accounts and I'll paste this code on my WordPress blog in the upcoming lectures. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.